what is the integral of 1 over the square root of 1 minus x squared? Go ahead and find the answer. Now, in order to find the indefinite integral, we need to use trigonometric substitution. So what should we replace x with? We need to replace x with the sine function. So we're going to say x is equal to sine of u. Dx is going to be the derivative of sine, which is cosine u times du. So let's replace x with sine u, and at the same time let's replace dx with what it equals, that's cosine u du. And so we're going to have the integral of 1 over the square root of 1 minus sine squared, and then times cosine u du. Now you need to be familiar with a very common Pythagorean identity in trigonometry, and it's this one. Sine squared plus cosine squared is equal to 1. And so if we subtract both sides by cosine squared, by sine squared, we'll get that cosine squared is 1 minus sine squared. And so we can replace this with cosine squared. So we're going to have the integral of 1 over the square root of cosine squared times cosine u du. And the square root of cosine squared is just cosine. And cosine divided by cosine is 1. So we have the integral of 1 du, which is u plus some constant c. Now, if x is equal to sine of u, then u has to be the arcsine of x. When you're dealing with inverse functions, you need to switch x and y. In this case, x and u. So u plus c is really going to be arcsine of x plus c. And so this is the final answer. So the integral of 1 over the square root of x squared, 1 over the square root of 1 minus x squared dx is arcsine of x plus c.